Hi friends, welcome to session 16 on ordinary differential equation, and this is the last session in this chapter. So in this session we are going to study about the particular integral of the form, examples on particular integral of the form e raised to x into v, where v is a function of x. Take one example. Solve d2y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus 5y is equals to e raised to 2x into sin x. First write the given equation as d square minus 2d, here it is d square minus 2d plus 5 of y is equals to e raised to 2x into sin x as it is. First you have to find the auxiliary equation, that is m square minus 2m plus 5 is equals to 0, and the roots of this equation is here we cannot factorize this, so we have to use this Reynolds rule, that is m is equals to, it is in the form of, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We know x is equals to here minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a form. So using this we can get the value of m equals to minus b, b is 2, minus minus plus or minus under root of 4 minus 4 into 5 divided by 2. So after simplification you will get this one as 2 plus or minus 4i divided by 2, that is 1 plus or minus 2i. So since the roots are in the form of complex roots, that is alpha plus or minus I beta, then we know its complementary function is e to the power of alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. So using this we can write this one as e to the power of alpha, alpha is 1 x into c1 cos beta is 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Take this one as equation number 1. Next is you have to find the particular integral. Now to find particular integral, it is 1 by f of d is d square minus 2d plus 5 into e raised to 2x into sin x. It is in the form of particular integral of the form here x is equals to e raised to x into v is, particular integral is equals to 1 divided by f of d e raised to x into v. So is equals to e raised to x you have to keep as it is, and you have to replace d by d plus a into v as it is. So here e raised to 2x first you write as it is into 1 divided by, in place of d you have to put d plus a, coefficient of x in e raised to ax, it is 2. D plus 2 whole square minus 2 into d plus 2 plus 5 into sin x. So e raised to 2x as it is, expand this one, it is d square plus 4d plus 4 minus 2d minus 4 plus 5. So it is e raised to 2x into 1 divided by d square plus 2d plus 4 cancel, it is plus 5 sin x. So it is e raised to 2x into, first you have to put here, it is in the particular integral of sin ax divided by 1 by f of d square is, so it is you have to replace d square by minus 1 square. So that is here 1 divided by minus 1 square plus 2d plus 5 into sin x. So it is e raised to 2x, 1 divided by minus 1 square is minus 1, minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4, 2d plus 4 sin x. So it is e raised to 2x divided by, take 2 common, it is d plus 2 sin x. So now you have to multiply and divide by conjugate of this d plus 2, that is d minus 2 divided by d minus 2 into d plus 2 sin x. So next it is e raised to 2x divided by 2, d minus 2 divided by d square minus 4, it is a plus b, d plus 2 into d minus 2 is d square minus 4 sin x. So it is again here you have to replace d square by minus 1. You know this derivative of this sin, this one particular integral of sin x. We know this particular integral of 1 by f of d square of sin ax is equals to 1 divided by f of minus a square sin ax if f of minus a square is not equal to 0. This we know. So here we can replace d square by minus 1. So it is minus 1 square minus 4 and this one d minus 2 as it is. So it is minus 1 square minus 4 is minus 5. It is e raised to 2x divided by minus 10. Derivative of, open this bracket, d of sin x is derivative of sin x minus 2 sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x minus 2 sin x. So now general solution is y is equals to complementary function plus particular integral. That is y is equals to complementary function is e raised to x, c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus particular integral is e raised to 2x divided by minus 10 cos x minus 2 sin x. This is the solution. Let us take one more example. Solve d2y by dx square minus y is equals to e raised to x into 1 plus x. It is also same, exactly same. It is in the form of e raised to ax into v. First you have to write the given equation as this is d square minus 1 of y is equals to e raised to x into 1 plus x square. Now auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 is equals to 0. This implies m square is equals to 1 or m is equals to plus or minus 1. Now the complementary function is, here the roots are real and distinct. So it is equals to c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to minus x. Now particular integral is 1 divided by d square minus 1 e raised to x into 1 plus x square. So now we know if the given function is like this 1 by f of d e raised to x into v, then its particular integral is given by e raised to x into 1 by f of d plus a into v. Just we have done. So you have to replace this d by d plus 1, coefficient of x is 1. So it is e raised to x into 1 by d plus 1 whole square minus 1 into 1 plus x square. Expand this, it is d square plus 2d plus 1 minus 1, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. It is simply d square plus 2d 1 plus x square. We know how to find the particular integral of 1 plus x square divided by d square plus 2d. We know the method. Here you have to take the least degree term of d here, that is 2d. You have to take common. So what else remains? 2d you take common, it is 1 plus d square is there. So I have taken d common, it is d by 2 into 1 plus x square. Now it is e raised to x divided by 2d. Take 1 plus d by 2 in the numerator, it becomes to the power of minus 1 into 1 plus x square. So e raised to x divided by 2, 1 by d of, expand this one, 1 plus, this is on formula I have given in the last class, 1 plus x to the power of minus 1 binomial theorem, 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus etc. So here in place of x it is d by 2, that is 1 minus d by 2 plus d by 2 whole square etc. 1 plus x square. So now it is e raised to x divided by 2, 1 by d. This one is open this bracket, 1 into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square minus d by 2 of 1 plus x square plus d square by 4 of 1 plus x square etc. So here it is e raised to x divided by 2 as it is 1 by d of 1 plus x square minus 1 by 2. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of x square is 2x. Then plus 1 by 4 as it is. Second derivative of 1 is 0. Second derivative of x square is 2x. Here I have given how to find the second derivative of x square. It is 2. Simplify this one, you will get the result. It is e raised to x by 2, 1 by d, 1 plus x square minus x. It is 1 by 4 divided by 2 divided by 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. So now 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 and remaining as it is. Now e raised to x by 2, 1 by d. 1 by d means it is integration of x square. So it is 1 by d is nothing but integration. So this is integration of, this is nothing but e raised to x divided by 2 integration of x square minus x plus 3 by 2 with respect to x. So integration of x square is x cube by 3 minus integration of x is x square by 2 plus integration of 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 x. So all the terms contains x. Let us take, if you want you can take x common, otherwise take x common and take LCM also. You will get x into e raised to x divided by 6 into 12, 2x square minus 3x plus 9. This is the particular integral. Now combine complementary function particular integral, you will get the general solution. So that is y is equals to c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to minus x plus x into e raised to x divided by 2 into 2x square minus 3x plus 9. This is the required solution. And just for practice I have given one more example. This is again, if you want you can solve yourself. I will just go through this one directly. So d2y by dx square minus 3dy by dx plus 2y is equals to x square e raised to 3x. Take, so first you write this one as d square minus 3d plus 2 of y is equals to x square e raised to x. Auxiliary equation, this m square minus 3m plus 2, factorize this, you will get the roots as m equals to 1 and 2. Complementary function is c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to 2x. Take this one as equation number 1. Now to find particular integral, it is 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 x square e raised to 3x. So it is again e raised to 3x as it is. You just replace d by d plus 3, coefficient of x. D plus 3 whole square minus 3 of d plus 3 plus 2. And expand this one, after simplification you will get e raised to 3x into 1 by d square plus 3d plus 2. That is a plus b whole square and all those things you do into x square. So again you take least term of d here common, that is 2 you have to take common, it is 2 plus 3 by 2d plus d square by 2 x square. e raised to 3x divided by 2. Take this in the numerator, it becomes 1 plus 1 by 2 of these two terms contains 1 by 2. This is d square plus 3d whole to the power of minus 1 x square. So once again it is 1 plus x to the power of minus 1, just now I told you, 1 minus x plus x square etc. So that is 1 minus d square by 2 plus 3d by 2 plus d square by 2 plus 3d by 2 whole square etc. Into x. So it is e raised to 3x divided by 2. 1 into x square is x square minus d square by 2 plus 3d by 2 into x square. Here if you open this bracket, then what happens? What happens here? It is d raised to 4. It will become d raised to 4 by 4 plus 9 d square by 4 then plus 2ab 2d square by 2 into 3d by 2. It is d cube you will get here. So that is we can write one more term here. This is plus d raised to 4 by 4. Its fourth derivative becomes 0. So I will take this one as here plus 9 by 4 also I will take here. So if you want, you can write this one. This is plus no plus d raised to 4 by 4 plus 9 d square by 4 then plus this is 2d square by 2 into 3d by 2 of x square. So here this x square as it is, second derivative of x square is 2 by 2 and plus into minus minus 3 by 2 derivative of x square is 2x, and this one is fourth derivative of x square becomes 0, then plus 9 by 4. Second derivative of x square is 2 it is, and next third derivative becomes 0. So now it is 3 e raised to 3x divided by 2 x square, 2 to get cancelled, it is minus 1 and it is minus 3x, and here it is 2 2s are 4, it is 9 by 2. This is plus 9 by 2. One more time we will get here plus 9 by 2. That is e raised to 3x divided by 2 x square. So that is take LCM. LCM is 2. This is 2x square minus 6x minus 2 plus 9. It is 7 by 2. It is. So how much you will get? This is e raised to 3x by 2. Then plus bracket 2x square. This is 3x divided by 2. 2 into 2 it is 4. 3 e to the power of 3x divided by 4. 2x square minus 6x plus 7. This is the required complementary function, and just add these two. You just add these two, you will get the general solution, and general solution is equals to complementary function plus particular integral. So that is c1 e raised to x plus e2 raised to 2x plus e to the power of 3x divided by 2 of x square minus, this is we can write this one as e to the power of 3x divided by 4. This is 2x square minus 6x plus 7. This is the required result. So it is y is equals to c1 e to the power of x plus c2 e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of 3x divided by 4 into 2x square minus 6x plus 7 is the required general solution. So this is all about this today's session, and this is the last session in this chapter, and I have given some multiple choice questions. If you want, you can solve these examples yourself, and these are all the examples only. You just go through these examples. I have given 5 multiple choice questions. These are like examples only. Just solve these examples yourself, and if you find any difficulties, then you can ask me a doubt by writing a question in the comment box, and I will try to solve your problem. Thank you very much for watching this video, and this is the end of this chapter. In the next session, I will start next chapter. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.